some of the men started crying, boo hoo! Stop that hullabaloo! Shouted Mac Magoo. He's the one with the scary sea serpent tattoo.
Okay. Now, but I knew what to do, so I grabbed the bamboo and tossed it all off the help with the help of crew. Now, the poet came to know why this all happened, why the storm came, and why all the destruction started happening. Just because of the golden bamboo, because it was not good. Golden bamboo was black magic. So the poet says that I took the bamboo and I threw it away in the sea. I threw it away in the sea. The sky turned blue. What a beautiful hue. Now again everything was normal. As soon as the bamboo was in the water, not on the boat, everything was very beautiful again. But our sails had some holes and more than a few. But though the storm went away, though the black magic went away, still there was a lot of destruction on the boat. What destructions were there? The deck was broke too and the mast was askew. So here the deck was broken. The ship, the corner part was broken. And this mast, black cloth, was tilted. Means it was broken, not straight. It was not straight. So some of the men started crying boo hoo. Stop that hula bolo, shouted Mac Magoo. Now Mac Magoo is a name of a person who was very dangerous person, and in his hand there was a tattoo of sea serpent. So this might be Mac Magoo. He was the dangerous person on the boat. He shouted, "Stop crying! No one will shout on the boat." He commanded to everyone. Yes, Muskan, continue.
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
have got
Steven.
Continue, Muskan.
yes, sir. We have got some glue and look, there's a screw. In no time we will fix this old boat up like new. With that old buckaroo, no one dared to argue. So we fixed the boat quickly and then had some stew. Now the only thing I ask of you is to please believe this story is true.
Okay. Now this all the boat, deck, the mast, everything was broken. So how did they bring the boat normal again? We have some glue and look, there's a screw. With the help of Fevicol and with the help of screw, can you fix the boat, students? Can you again join the boat?
Yes.
No. With Fevicol, how can you join big boat?
Yes.
But still they are saying that we have fixed the holes and the boats with the screw and the gum. In no time we will fix this old boat up like new. With the with that old Bucaro, no one dared to argue. Means with that Mac Magoo, no one was able to argue because Mac Magoo was dangerous. Like I said, he was very strict. So no one argued with that cowboy, with that dangerous boy. So we fixed the boat quickly and then had some stew. So quickly with the help of gum and screw, they started again, uh, fixing the boat. Wherever the part, whichever part was broken, they started again the, what to say, they again started joining the mast, again started joining the deck of the boat. Whichever part was torn, broken, they started joining with the screw and glue. So then the poet says that after fixing the boat, they had some stew, means they finally had something to eat. Now the only thing I ask of you is to believe that this story is true. So now the poet says that I will only ask you to believe that this story is true. Okay. Students, take out your rough book, give the heading poem 2. today's date, and then say yes sir and your name after giving the heading. Rough book, give the heading today's date, poem 2, adventure at sea.
Yes, sir. Malika and Khadija.
Yes, sir. Muskan.
Yes, sir. Sada.
Yes, sir. Iman Fatima.
Yes, sir. Multani Misbah.
Okay, now girls, start writing question. See, first you have to give the heading, fill in the blanks, and then start writing these questions. Can you see fill in the blanks? 5 questions on the screen.
Yes, sir.
So right now you people have to just write the questions, leaving one line. Come on. Once you finish writing the questions, say yes sir and mute the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How many of you are still writing?
Sir, my one question is only. Sir, Johnny man.
Yes, sir, my work is done.
Sir, my work is done.
Okay. Now try to find the answers. Answers from the first page. You will get first three answers easily. Don't speak anything. You have 5 to 6 minutes to find three answers. First three answers are very easy. Girls, do you want me to keep this page or you can write the answer on your own? Try to write the answer on your own because questions are very easy. अगर आप poem समझे हो, if you have understood the poem, the answers very easy. Once you write all the answers, say yes sir and mute the mic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let's let's wait for your friends.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, Iman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, Iman Fatima, read first two questions and answer first two questions.
Fill in the blanks. Cockatoo helps the sailor find an island.
Your voice is not clear, beta. It is not audible.
A cockatoo helps the sailor find an island.
Second, okay, Alina,
Yes, sir.
Sailor,
you also answer number one and two.
A Cocato helped the sailor find an island. Andrew went to the island in a canoe.
Okay, so these two are the first two answers, but next answers I will wait for others to those who have not yet found. Let's wait for them. Let's not speak the answer because they might take more time to find the answer. So let's wait for them. So first answer is cockatoo. Second is Andrew. What is the spelling of cockatoo, Alina?
Cockatoo.
And C should be capital or small?
C should be capital.
What about Andrew spelling?
Andrew. Andrew.
Here again A should be capital.
Yes,
Why? Can you tell me?
because this is the first letter.
It is a first letter, sure. But now if I write the word normal, so N should be capital.
No, sir.
So why? What's the reason why A should be capital if it is a first letter? Because it is a proper noun.
Yes.
Okay. Now next, I would like to ask Sirat Fatima Wakil. Okay, she's not answering. Who wants to answer number 3?
Sir, can I count? Iman.
Muskan. Yes.
Yes, sir. He returned with golden bamboo as treasure.
Speak clearly.
Okay, sir. He returned with golden bamboo as treasure.
Okay. So golden bamboo is the answer, no?
Yes.
Great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Who will answer the next?
Can I, Iman?
Now only few people will answer.
Can I tell
Sir,
Iman?
can I Mera
Who was that? Last one?
Mera?
Humera. Yes, please.
The speaker feared that the treasure was screwed by voodoo.
Cursed by voodoo. Yes. What is the meaning of voodoo, Humera? Black magic. Okay. Who will answer the last one?
Black magic.
Muskan.
Iman.
Alina Kholia.
Sir,
I don't want
witchcraft
the repeated
was
names.
magic.
Those who have answered me once, they will not speak. Other than that, who wants to answer?
Sir, can I, Marin?
Yes, Marin.
Like Magu.
Yes, Marin. What is
Who
the
had a
spelling?
scary sea spell. MACMCDGOO.
Very good. Okay. So this is the answer, right? So all the five answers done.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm giving you 5 minutes, girls, to just learn the five answers. I repeat the answer. The first answer was cockatoo. Second was Andrew. Third was golden bamboo. Fourth, voodoo. And fifth, MacMacGo. Now learn the answers. I will wait for 5 minutes and I'll randomly ask the question to anyone. So here itself you have to learn the fill in the blanks. So finally you don't have to spare extra time for learning that.
Sir,
Yes, dear. Yes, Alina, speak all the questions and answers again. Come on, one by one.
Okay, sir. O- Kokato helped the sailors find an island. Andrew went to the island in a canoe. He returned with golden bamboo as treasure. The speaker feared that the treasure was cursed by voodoo. MacMago has a scary sea serpent tattoo.
Muskan, you also speak all the answers with all the questions.
yes, sir. Fill in the blanks. Question number one. A cockatoo helped the sailors find an island. Second, Andrew went to the island in a canoe. Third, he returned with golden bamboo as treasure. Fourth, the speaker feared that the treasure was cursed by voodoo. Fifth, Mac Magoo had a scary sea serpent tattoo. Said animal.
Okay. So I hope all of you have written all the answers properly.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. Okay, so here your homework is to write these fill in the blanks properly once again, one more time in your rough notebook with good handwriting, so that I can, if you will send me the pictures, I can send the best handwriting and presentation in the group. So who is going to send me with best handwriting?
Sir, I am teacher. Sir, my
सर आए अलीना खोलिए.
I Muskan Ravachani.
मेरा
ma'am.
મને ભાભી તો ના નહીં પાડે.
Okay then, have a nice day. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir. Have a wonderful day.
बाय सर
Bye, have a great day.
Sir, good day.
किसका लेक्चर है? उसका किसका लेक्चर है?
Mathematics.